Let's create a dynamic calendar table for your Tableau Server users in 6 steps. Step 1. Create an Excel file containing 2 values used to parameterize the selection of start year and end year values. In this data pane, you'll notice that I have one column within this Excel file named parameters, and within that column there are 2 values, start year and end year. Step 2. Create 2 parameters, one named start year and another named end year. Go ahead and set their default values. In this case, I've set the start year value of 2020 and end year value of 2025. Step 3. Create a calculated field called calendar year that uses the 2 values in the Excel source and the 2 parameters created to parameterize the date range. Step 4. Use Tableau Prep's new rows feature to generate 1 row per day existing within the specified date range. In this example, we've specified a start year of 2020 and an end year of 2025. So what will happen is we'll have 1 row starting with January 1st, 2020 and all the way through December 31st, 2024. Step 5. Using calculated fields, create the attributes you would like to capture within your calendar table. For the purposes of this example, I've went ahead and added quite a few calculated fields that allow us to further describe each of the calendar date values within this calendar table. These attributes for your calendar table may vary or differ depending on the problems you're trying to solve. Step 6. Publish the flow to your Tableau server. After publishing the flow, go ahead and click Run. At that point, you will be prompted to specify the start and end year values for your calendar table. The flow I've developed and covered on screen can be found on my GitHub. I will go ahead and place the link to the flow in the comments section. If you found this video useful, like the video and subscribe to my channel for notifications of future content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.